Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about unitary method. Unitary method is used when out of the four quantities in proportion, we know 3 and we don't know 1. So for example, we know that 6 liters is to 12 liters as we don't know this is to, let's say, 24 bottles. So we don't know this term. Now we want to find this term. In such cases, we use unitary method. That is one of the methods. There are many methods which we can use to find this. One of the methods is unitary method. Now, in this method, we find value of 1 unit of one of the quantities in ratio. And once we find the value of 1 unit, we find the value of required number of units. That's how we do it. Let's take one example and understand it. To pack 6 liters of juice, we use 12 bottles. How many bottles will be required to pack 18 liters of juice? Now we know these are in proportion, these quantities are in proportion. 6 liters require this, then 18 also require in the same proportion. And since we know that they are in proportion, we can use unitary method. In unitary method, as it is told, we first find quantity of 1 unit. So what we will do is, we'll first find how many bottles are required to pack 1 liter of juice. So we know We know 6 liters of juice is packed in 12 bottles, and therefore to pack 1 liter of juice, how many bottles I need? That is equal to 12 divided by 6, which is equal to 2 bottles. Once we find that 1 liter needs 2 bottles, we can say that for 18 liters, bottles required are 2 into 18. Because for 1 liter, 2 bottles. For 18 liters, 2 multiplied by 18. That is equal to 36 bottles. So what we did? We first calculated the quantity required for 1 unit to pack 1 liter. And then using that, we calculated the unknown quantity required for 18 liters. Now, it looks easy when it is given in this format. If it is given in some jumbled format, finding it might be a little complex. I'll give you one trick which will ensure that you understand this easily. Let's take one example. Three boys can run 9 kilometers altogether. How many boys are required to run 24 kilometers? Now, we know we first need to find the quantity for 1. Now, quantity for 1, let's say 3 boys run 9 kilometers. Therefore, 1 boy runs 9 upon 3, which is 3 kilometers. That was the first step. Then second step was, then we know 1, then we can find the whatever is required. But here we have not been given how many boys. 1 boy is 3 kilometers. If we were asked how much 12 boys can run, we could have multiplied 3 with 12 and could find that. But that is not what is asked. So in such cases, what to do? So for that, please understand one small trick. So whenever we see the sum, we need to find amount for 1 unit. But that 1 unit, whose unit? Is it 1 boy or is it 1 kilometer? We need to decide that. And to decide that, look at the sum and see there will be 3 quantities. 1, 2 and 3. Out of these 3, 2 quantities are kilometers. 9 kilometers, 24 kilometers. And the boys is 1 quantity and second quantity of boys is not known. So actually this is going to be in the ratio like boys quantity 1 is to boys quantity 2 as run quantity 1 is run quantity 2. We know run quantity 1, we know run quantity 2, we know boys quantity 1, and this is what we need to find out. So whichever item we know twice, so here the run quantity we know twice, we have to find 1 unit of that. So I need to find how many boys are required to run 1 kilometer. What I need to find is how many boys are required to run 1 kilometer. Why? Because kilometers are appearing here twice. So first statement, to run 1 kilometer, we need so many boys. Now here there is 1 quantity divided by other quantity out of this B1 and R1. Now what we need run quantity, kilometers. When we need kilometers quantity, kilometers should be in denominator and this other one should be in numerator. So to run 1 kilometer we need 3 upon 9. See here. First thing I decided which quantity is 1 unit amount I need to find, and that is decided by which quantity appears twice. Here kilometers appear twice, so I said we need to find what is the amount for 1 kilometer. So how many boys are needed to run 1 kilometer? To find that, we need to divide 1 quantity by other. So which should be in denominator, which should be in numerator. In this case, whatever is this 1, the unit of this 1 kilometer, that should be in denominator. So 9 kilometer should be in denominator, 3 boys should be in numerator. And lowest one is 1:3. So we need 1 upon 3 boys. 1 by 3 boys to run 1 kilometer. We will not go further, we'll stay it here. And therefore, to run 24 kilometers, boys needed are equal to this quantity which we got. How many are needed for 1 kilometer multiplied by 24 kilometer. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. 8 into 1 is 8. What we need is 8 boys. When we solve sums, I'm going to talk about this further.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.